morning. Okay, so now we are going to insert the swivel peg. So my Onshape fancy cube and swivel peg. Create a new version. Create. Part Studio 1, and doesn't matter where you set it down. Okay, so this swivel peg is going to go inside here from this whole square to this whole square. So it's going to go inside. So if I take my lid and I tip it up just a little bit so I can see what I'm doing, we're going to put it inside there. So it's going to go from this one to this one. All right, so here we go. We're going to use, since it's all flat surfaces, we're going to use planar mates. All right, so first one I'm going to do is, let's see, we're going to choose the bottom of this one, and I'm going to put it on the bottom of this one. And if I've chosen it right, now let's see where we are. Let's spin it around so I can see. Nope, we're upside down, so I need to flip it so that it's right side up. Now when I go here, you can see it's lined up on that surface where we want it. So green check mark. Okay, now I want this surface to line up with the front of the blue surface. So here we go. This surface lines up with the front of the blue surface. Okay, let's make sure we're doing this right. If I spin it to the right, maybe, let's see, green check mark. Worst thing that happens is we have to undo. All right, it's not centered there yet. I'm just moving around trying to figure out where I'm at. Okay, I'm going to exit out here so you can see this guy can now rotate left and right, but it won't, and so we want it in here, but I can't really get it to line up in here, so I'm going to move it out here. Okay, now I need this. We're going to choose this big flat surface here, and then I'm going to spin it, and I'm going to choose this. Oh, let me see if I can get it a little bit better. There we go. I'm going to choose this surface. So those two I want flat up against each other. Green check mark, and it pops into place. So turn it around. We have the square at the top. Turn it around the other day. We have the square at the bottom. Looking pretty good.